closer to trying to pinpoint a bird all morning. We think he's down on this little log in the road, but they're not hammering away this morning.
Pretty quiet today. Few birds.
There's enough birds. It's just real quiet.
What are we seeing, Kev? The old pine squirrel back here just breeding. Just going bananas. Yeah. Looks like the rain's gonna hold off, dude. That's nice. This was.
Yeah. Heard it.
Yeah. Sweet. Nice call, Curtis.
We hear a bird down in the canyon, another bird up this way. No shortage of gobblers.
Bush League. Bush League. Sounds like amateur hour to me. Oh, oh, unbelievable. That was pissing rain on us again. Now we're hunkered up underneath some trees, trying to wait it out. Listen, birds are being real cagey today. Not really gobbling a whole hell of a lot. So we're just gonna hunker down for a bit. Wet. Alright guys, talk to the game plan here. Well, there's a road behind us. We're gonna hit that. We're gonna take it to another road. And then we're gonna hit another road and there's gonna be a gobbler sitting there. Just gobbling his nuts off. And then we're gonna shoot it right in its jelly head. I like it.
Right in the face.
What do you think of the spot so far, Kev? It's pretty epic. You know, the weather is not cooperating, but it looks like we got a pretty clear window now. Pretty beautiful in here. A lot of birds. Certainly a lot of birds. Yeah. It's been pretty slow, though, by our standards. If Crawford and I don't kill one in the first, 20, 30 minutes of the day, it's a rough day.
It's a long day.
All right, let's go for a walk. Turkey was got real quiet. We just heard one gobble off in the distance. I'm gonna chase it down. See if we can't get a closer look. Now what are we doing, Eric?
So, we've already blundered a couple birds this morning. Not so much our fault. They just weren't all that excited about the rain. But kind of putting out some miles, trying to find a receptive bird. We've got one to respond. Just a couple ridges over a couple times, but now a little shower is blown in. So kind of hold up, waiting for the rain to pass. And then we'll make a play on that bird.
I thought you could call in any turkey to respond.
Yeah, I usually can. I'm a fair weather turkey hunter.
Big sandwich guy, huh?
Big vest guy.
What do we got, Kev?
We got a little turkey, a little pepper jack.
Ooh. I like it.
As soon as I bite into this, there's gonna be a ton that just runs down this road.
Guaranteed. delicious.
It's just as good as mine.
Yeah, let's see what I got here. I got a real nice lunch today. I'm really proud of it. All I brought was bread and peanut butter. So I've got bread and peanut butter for my lunch.
Folded in half. You couldn't even afford 2 slices of bread.
I didn't bring enough bread to make a full sandwich. So I hurried to get out of the house. So I'm gonna make the best of it. Tastes like bread and peanut butter.
Pretty dry.
It's quite dry.
Yeah, hopefully you got enough water. Wash that down.
You can just hold your mouth open and look at the sky.
Oh, oh, unbelievable. Harlander. Oh. Oh, buddy. Doubled up.
That was awesome.
Kev.
Guys.
Woo! What a, yeah, dude. Woo! Dude, what? That was fun, dude. Captain Crawford over here calling him in.
Yeah, that was
Oh, that was
incredible.
great, dude.
That took a long time. Oh boy, did it.
We watched them slowly just work their way up for a while there.
Look at that pretty head on this one.
Yeah. Wow.
Bird right there.
That worked out pretty well, dude. Look at that thing. Look at that dark. How dark phase that is.
Yeah.
Oh. That's a hell of a first day, Kev.
Yeah.
Fill both tags, one shot.
All right, well, I guess I'll see you guys next time. Outstanding.
Oh my goodness, dude.
Didn't try to shoot them both.
You didn't?
No, I didn't. I waited till with your fingers.
There was blood on the ground wherever they were at. They were a ways away, dude. That was a poke. I was still psyched, man. That worked out so well.
Yeah, I could've. That's straight Merriam's that way?
They look more eastern.
Yeah.
More eastern fish.
All right, Kev, what now? You shot 2 times.
Whew.
You're tagged out.
Yeah, I got some camera guy now. Maybe a little calling in there. That was unreal. They
That
came
worked out
up this
so-
road and they must have saw a pack or something. We weren't very well concealed. And they stopped at like 50 yards. And one turned, the other one's like, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. They both turned, lined up, and just smoked them.
Were you waiting for him to line up?
Yeah.
Oh, you were? Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't know
Yeah.
you were waiting for that. I couldn't tell, honestly, if you could even see him yet.
Yeah,
I could see
yeah,
I was wondering.
Kind of
Yeah.
shot right over that stick right there.
Yeah. Hot damn. Hell of a first day.
No kidding.
Heck of a first day.
Got that buck fever, buddy.
Oh, that was just awesome. I didn't see him until they were like right where I shot him. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Like, you couldn't see.
They kind of hung up, right where they hung up is where you could have shot him.
We saw him coming the whole way.
Yeah.
All right, Kev's got 2 birds. Back out on the hunt. Midday, so we got a lot of daylight left here. See if we can't find another gobbler or 2. Just left from where Kevin shot his birds. We're not even a quarter mile away. We can hear a bird down in the canyon. Another bird up this way. No shortage of gobblers.
Are you just in heaven right now?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
As Kev said, it's like an amusement park.
Turkey Amusement Park.
For grown men.
I like it. Let's go get set up on this gobbler. Bit of LBs in this bag. Yeah, you got a heavy load.
Think that road.